Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to see how we can create simple Windows form application with Visual Studio 2022. So here, once you open your Visual Studio 2022, we can see there are different options. Click on Create New Project, and once you click on Create New Project, there are different options that we can see. So what we actually need is a WinForm application. So if you scroll down, or we can filter this option. So I choose desktop here, and here after choosing desktop I can click on Windows Form app. So here this is going to create a template for creating a .NET Windows Form application. So once you click next, so here you can give any name that you like. So I'm going to give the name as first app and click next, and you can keep the framework as .NET 8.0 and click on create. So here you can see that it has generated a template and it has created a Form1.cs, and also our starting point will be in the program.cs file. So this is uh, where the application will be initialized and it will run this new form1. And here I can rename my form. So I'll open this form. So it's opening the designer here. So a designer is where you can create your UI controls. So now you see this is a window application, a form that you see. So if I run this, you see that it builds and runs the application. Okay, as we see that there is nothing, and also it shows form1 as a title. Now that for our application we can choose to customize it. So we can open the properties of this form, and we see that there is nothing much here to change. Just now once I open this properties, I can see the text here. I can change it to first app, right? And I want this to be sizable, so I can choose whether the windows should be sizable or not through the form border style option. And yeah, you can also control with this option. Now on this form I like to create some new buttons here. So basically I can also choose to view the code which is for this form. Right now you don't see anything here in this form. Now here I'll open the tools. Okay, so I have opened my toolbox here. So you have all the options that I can add. So for now I am interested in adding a label, and I also like to add a text box. I also need a button. So let me rename this label here. Now thing is that whenever you double click, it generates a click event here, and that's what you see. But you don't need this click events for the label or your text unless you specifically want to do something. Now here we want to bind all our actions through this button. I have renamed this button here, you see. Now what we like to do is whatever the name that the user has entered here, we like to show it in the message. So now I double click, and here I'm going to we need the text box name here. So the name of this text box is text box 1. So you can name or rename this. So I have named this to txt name. Now you see that I have completed this code. I'll run this. I enter I enter my name, and it says you entered your name as Munir. So yeah, this is how you can create your Windows Form application with Visual Studio 2022. So you can explore more options under General, or you can explore more options under this. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more topics like this. Thank you. The icon option here. So here